Hello humans, I'm Dr. Hee, and today I'm turning this Smith & Wesson MMP 9 Shield Plus from this stock. It's funny because I keep saying stock because of cars, but stock is like the stock. But I'm turning this and giving it a quick makeover. It's getting a full upgrade. This is a ButtPlate finger rest package. This is pretty much an extension for your mag, so your pinky has somewhere to sit. So this mag is currently flush. And with this on, just imagine a little more space for your pinky. So right now it's like this. With this on, it's like right on the money. So I'll take this off. Push this little tab right here. And then you push this forward. Cover the mag with your fingers so the spring doesn't fly out. This has grooves so you can't get it wrong. Obviously that's the bottom part. And this is the inside part. Push it down with your thumb, add some pressure, and then go ahead and slide this in. And now, we don't have that pinky hanging out. It has somewhere to rest. It's not down here anymore. It's up here. I do recommend, obviously, getting another one for the second mag, because why not? If you get used to shooting like this, you might as well have it on both. If you're not in California, obviously you just get the extension that holds bullets, because this just holds your finger, no bullets. Next, let's work on the sights. First, remove the mag. Then, pull the slide all the way back. Push the slide stopper up. And then, there's this lever. It's like slightly painted yellow. Let me get a flathead. And I'm just going to push that lever down. Kind of hard to see. Then, this lever gets pushed all the way down. Just like so. Then pull the slide all the way back. And it should slide right out. So here's that lever I was talking about. It's this one right here. It's right under this longer one. There you go. It's that one right there. The one that looks like a S curve. We're gonna install the Dove Adaptive Mounting Solutions dovetail mount. It does come with the tools that you need, and you could choose to have a night front sights. Let's go ahead and remove this. Here's the Allen wrench for it. Get the Allen wrench. Go ahead and unscrew the iron sights. Recommend you don't lose a screw. Never know if you want to go back to it. Yeah, look, a little bit of thread locker. After the struggle of my life trying to remove the iron sights from this slide, let me tell you, it took me 2 days, and I went and bought a vice grip, and 2 days of pounding the crap out of it, and it finally started moving. But yeah, good luck. You don't have to buy this extra little kit for the dovetail, but you can. It basically comes with like the thread locker you need and the Allen key to install it. And then with the dovetail mount itself, you get the punch tool, although you might go through a couple punches trying to figure out which one to use. Here's the stock sights, and you can tell how bad I messed it up just punching the crap out of it. I pretty much got this side almost flat, if I'm being honest, but it wasn't budging, so it finally did. All right, let's put this here. I was gonna say that slid in pretty easily. I'm kind of scared to mess this up, but it should be fine. Alright, we're back. Highly recommend getting a vice grip, because instead of having this absorb a lot of the impact in the vice grip, you actually feel like you're pounding the crap out of it. So, GG Brandy. So let's go ahead and install the new sights, which is this. You know, usually it's like 3 points where you line up. On this one, it's just this and the U. So no distractions, just straight. Find the green dot and. I guess you don't use any of those screws. Use these. They come with the night sight, or because of the dove mount and this night sight. But yeah, it does come with the dove ones. These are the 2 screws. So let's assemble this. Our 2 screws. Let's get our thread locker. Oh, I added some thread locker. It's crazy how little you need. There you go. And put this in here. Now we're gonna get this plate. Throw that in here. We're gonna grab our battery. We're gonna install it. Oh, there you go. So the positive side is facing out. Uh, there you go. You can see the red dot. Just go straight on like that. There's no cover for it. And now, put the screws in. Don't put thread locker on these, because if you gotta change the battery, you gotta take this out. Once I feel some resistance, I just give it a little nudge, a little oomph, install it. These are made for the Smith & Wesson Shield specific. There are other ones for like the Glock 43, and it'll say it's for the Glock 43. These are rechargeable batteries and the rechargeable pack. I'm gonna unscrew this. These 3, I should say. Now we're gonna fits directly on. Can't really mess it up. Push it in there. And the guide. Put this on. Line it up. And push. And now it's hugging the gun. Everything should go back to normal. Yeah. Voila. Push it once, you don't have to hold it anymore. Keeps the laser on. Then, if you hold this, the right button, while you're holding the right button and then you push the left side button, that's how you cycle. Now let's put it all back together. Alright. So, let's go ahead and put our barrel back. There's a hair on it. Uh-oh. Let's put our barrel back. put our spring back. It's back on the slide. There we go. Things back into place. There we go. I want to say fully customized, but it just seemed like it's a fully upgraded Shield Plus with flashlight, and it has green laser. You could cycle between what you want to use. You hold it, the right side button, then push the left side button. You go cycle. If you want to use flashlight only, laser only, or a combo of both, you let it go. Click it, it stays on whatever you left it on. It's a red dot. Red dot with a green iron sights. It glows in the dark, so everybody getting seen. Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here's a fully upgraded Shield Plus. So just a quick overview. TLR-6 HL. Flashlight with green laser dot. This is I guess glow in the dark. I think it's like Vortex. You have this option when you purchase the dovetail mount. Sorry, the Dove Adaptive Mounting Solution mount. I keep saying dovetail, but I forget that's this piece that like flares. Yeah. And then we put the, I can't really say extended mag, but it extends the body of the mag, but you can add more bullets. That way your pinky has somewhere to rest. Last but not least, the SwampFox Sentinel Red Dot sights. And there you go. So just because you don't have a optic mount ready shield doesn't mean you can't put one on there. So, hope you enjoyed.